Garlic is a common ingredient used in many cuisines around the world. Besides its distinctive taste and aroma, garlic is also known for its numerous health benefits. For centuries, garlic has been used for its medicinal properties, and modern research continues to confirm its many health benefits. Garlic may aid in weight loss by reducing appetite. Garlic contains compounds that can stimulate the production of hormones that regulate appetite, leading to a feeling of fullness and a reduced desire to eat. Additionally, the sulfur compounds found in garlic can increase metabolism, which may also contribute to weight loss. One study found that people who took a garlic supplement for 12 weeks lost more weight and body fat than those who did not take the supplement. Other studies suggest that garlic may help reduce appetite and increase satiety, making it easier to eat fewer calories and lose weight. When incorporating garlic into your diet, it is important to note that cooking garlic can reduce its health benefits. Raw garlic is the most potent, but it can also be harsh on the digestive system. To get the most benefit from garlic, consider adding it to recipes at the end of cooking, or crushing it and letting it sit for a few minutes before using it. Overall, garlic is a healthy and flavorful addition to any diet. Whether you are looking to improve your heart health, boost your immune system, or lose weight, garlic is a versatile and effective natural remedy. Furthermore, consuming excessive amounts of garlic can lead to unwanted side effects such as bad breath, nausea, and heartburn. Garlic supplements may also interact with certain medications, so it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. There are several ways to incorporate garlic into your diet if you are interested in using it as a potential aid for weight loss. Here are a few ideas. Garlic tea. To prepare garlic tea, start by peeling and cutting 3 to 4 cloves of garlic in half. Add them to a saucepan filled with 3 cups of water and bring to a boil. Remove from heat and add half a cup each of lemon juice and honey. For added flavor and health benefits, ginger can also be included in the recipe. Ginger also helps to reduce the strong odor of the garlic. Once the ingredients have been combined, remove the garlic and serve the tea warm. Any leftover tea can be stored and reheated later. Add garlic to your meals. Garlic can add flavor and depth to many dishes, such as stir-fries, soups, and roasted vegetables. Simply chop or crush a few cloves of garlic and add them to your favorite recipes. Use garlic as a seasoning. Garlic powder or garlic salt can be used as a seasoning for various dishes, such as popcorn, roasted nuts, or grilled meats. Make garlic infused oil. Combine garlic and olive oil in a jar and let it infuse for a few days. Then, use the oil for cooking or as a salad dressing. Consume garlic supplements. Garlic supplements are available in various forms, including capsules and tablets. However, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Garlic and honey mixture. To make a garlic and honey mixture, start by peeling and separating a cup of whole garlic cloves, being careful to remove only the outermost layer of paper. Place the peeled garlic cloves into a sterilized jar or container and pour in a cup of pure honey, ensuring that each garlic clove is fully covered. Gently stir or shake the container to eliminate any air pockets and ensure that the honey coats each clove. Allow the mixture to sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours without refrigeration. For the best results, it's recommended to use fresh, high-quality garlic and honey. Once the mixture is ready, consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of it per day. Remember that while garlic may have some potential benefits for weight loss, it is not a magic solution. A healthy and balanced diet, combined with regular exercise, is still the most effective way to achieve and maintain a healthy weight.